Today's recipe is potato mushroom without onion and garlic. So we will make mushroom dish without onion garlic in a very healthy way. We will see how to make mushroom without onion and garlic. We know mushroom has a smell for which normally we make it with onion garlic, but here I will make the mushroom without onion garlic and it will be simply yummy and there won't be any type of smell of the mushroom. So for this what we need, let us see a quick look at the ingredients needed. I have taken in the market, as you get this packed white mushrooms I am using, 2 small potatoes which I have washed and chopped in a small pieces, and little bit of ginger. You need around 15 grams for this amount of mushroom, so which I have grated it and kept aside. So we will first mushrooms we will cut and then clean them very nicely, and apart from that the dry spices which are needed will be 2 small spoons of cumin powder, 1 small spoon of coriander powder, 1 small spoon of garam masala and 1 small spoon of red mirchi. So first let us chop the mushrooms. We will chop the mushrooms in small sizes. Mushrooms are very tasty and healthy in veg recipes, so we should all have mushroom, and it tastes good also. Now we have put a karai in the flame, in low flame, and once it's heated up we will fry the potatoes first in oil. Here I am using white oil, sunflower oil. If you want you can use even mustard oil. I prefer to cook in very less oil, so it is only 2 spoons of oil in which we will shallow fry a little of the potato. The oil is heated up, so let us just fry the potatoes in medium flame. Let it get fried for 3 to 4 minutes by covering the lid. So the potatoes are fried. I won't be deep frying because this is a healthy recipe I am showing today. So we will use less oil in preparing this, and it has quite good nutrients, mushroom, as I said. So we will remove the potato in a container and then fry the mushroom in the same oil, just adding 1 more spoon of oil to it. So as you can understand, I am using very less oil for this recipe. It is only 1 more spoon of oil I added, and in this only we will be frying the mushrooms. See, I don't boil the mushroom, but you should clean the mushroom very well. Okay, the mushrooms have to be cleaned very well and rinsed. The water should not be there, and then same procedure. Just let the mushroom get fried in low flame for at least 5 to 7 minutes. You will feel mushrooms have turned soft. So we will again cover it with lid. And let the mushrooms get fried. So see, the mushrooms have started turning a little soft, but it has to be more softer, and water is also coming out. This one we will throw off once the mushroom is fried. So let us fry the mushroom for 3 minutes more. So as we can see, the mushrooms have changed the color and they have been totally tender soft. So now we will take out the mushrooms in the same bowl where we have kept the potatoes, and then we will clean this vessel and again put it on the flame. Please clean the vessel once, because the smell of mushroom has gone by frying, but the vessel needs to be again once cleaned before using it. So now the vessel is heated up. We will give only 2 spoons of oil in it. As I said, you can use mustard oil or white oil. With very less oil this will be prepared. Let the oil get heated up. Then we will give some cumin and 1 red mirchi by breaking it. So the oil is heated up. Now we'll put in some cumin into it and one red chili. Let it sprinkle a little. Now we will put the ginger which we had grated. This is made only with ginger, no tomatoes also, and neither onion garlic. This is a pure veg recipe. So let the ginger get sauteed for some time. Now all the powder spices which I had kept, I will mix all of them together. That is the cumin, the coriander, the garam masala. In the same proportion as I shared, they were kept, and we will pour a little of water into this masala, dry masala. Mix it nicely, and then we will put this masala into the ginger paste which is inside the vessel. No turmeric is used for this preparation. It is a bit whitish type dry curry. So now let the masalas be sauteed properly. At this time I am using the salt as per your taste, so put in the salt. We have not used salt earlier for frying the mushroom or potato, so now use the salt as per your taste, and let these masalas get sauteed for a minute. The masalas have been sauteed, so now we will pour in the fried mushroom and potato together and mix nicely with this masala. So all the spices have been mixed with the potato and mushroom. Now cover it with lid and let it get sauteed for 3 to 4 minutes. So now as we can see, the gravy has almost dried up, and even the mushrooms and the potatoes, they have also boiled properly. So we'll switch off the flame and we will pour this into a container. We will just decorate it with few chopped corianders, and see, your mushroom gravy is ready to eat with roti or even rice. You can try it at home, and if you like my video, please do share and like my video, and if you want to share your comments, I would be very glad for it. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the right side button. Thank you. Stay well.